Hey, what's up everyone? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our first application by using Visual Studio, and this is gonna be a console application. So you're gonna see what a console application is, and we wanna put some hands and see how we're gonna do this. So the first step that we wanna do is we wanna go to File, New Project. We're gonna pick so as you can see, we have different templates. Templates are intended to start an application without like creating everything from scratch. So what basically do is we use the template, and there's a lot of code that has been arranged so we can just start creating an application depending on which template we select. To be able to create the first application, the Hello World application, we're gonna pick up console application. So at this point we can either choose Visual Basic console application or C# console application. So I'm gonna pick up C# because it seems like it's like the trending language, or more of the common or most uses lately when developing C#, or when developing .NET application. Most of the people and companies are programming by using C#. So that, and because of that, I want to pick up Visual C#, and then you can see that we have like different categories for the I would say for the templates, for the application templates. And since this is a Windows desktop application, we're going to choose Windows. And when we later, in the future, we want to create some web applications, so that we're going to pick the web category. For this example, we're going to pick Windows. So we already picked C#, then Windows, and then we're going to choose the console application. So we're going to select a name. I'm going to say Hello Application, and we're going to hit OK. So you can see my configuration is not like something special, but okay. So what we get here, so we have this is the program. So right there and right now, if we just click start, something's gonna happen. Yeah, just so you see, like there were a window. If you were not able to see the window, there's an option. You can either click debug and start without debugging. So if we hit start without debugging, the window is gonna remain here. So basically says press a key to continue, and if I press a key, the application ends. So basically this is an empty console application. What we're gonna do is we want to print a message, so we have our first application completed. In order to be able to print messages into the screen, we need to use an object that is included into the framework. That object is named, the object name is console. Console is an object or a class that's gonna let us do some console we're able to do different stuff like execute a beep, which is a sound that you're gonna hear. If I do this, you're probably gonna hear like a beep. You know what I'm saying, right? You can change the background of the console screen. You can either change the cursor and so on and so forth. So there's like change the title of the window top, move the window around the screen, and or right and right line. So I want to pick right line, and so you see we have the right line, and I want to put what message we're gonna use. So this is the syntax of C#. I need a semicolon at the end, and let me start over. So if I open the parentheses, we're gonna see like IntelliSense, and we have different options. Something that you're gonna take a look later, maybe. Want to talk about these different overloads, which is the name for this. But for now, we're just gonna put a message between double quotes, and we're gonna say hello world. Just remember, hello world is like the first application ever created by anyone, and it's basically print the hello world message in the screen, and that's what we are doing right now. So if you just click start, you're gonna see like the application is run, and you're not able to see what's going on. So in order to be able to run the application, we have two options. Either request some input from the user, so we force the application to stop, or we can use click debug and start without debugging. If we click start without debugging, we're gonna run the application. I want to see our hello world message right here, and after clicking any key, the application is gonna end. So what we see so far is you have created your first hello world application. So there's nothing related to programming oriented or something complex. This is just the simplest project that you can ever create, and you can either put different messages and create different lines. I'm gonna do like sample. So I'm gonna print several lines, and I'm gonna start without debugging, and you're gonna see like more messages. So I think that's all for today. It's super easy, and I just wanted to, in case somebody don't know how to create a console application and know how to create the first application, and this is how you're gonna create it. So I think that's all for today, and I see you in the next video.